أهلا ومرحبا. My name is Nezha. I am a professional Arabic teacher and a native speaker of Arabic. I created this channel Arabic for You to help you learn how to speak, write, and read Arabic just like an Arab. And this is a video from one of my full online courses. I hope you like it. In this video, we are going to answer the question, where is Arabic spoken? But before I answer that question for you, I would like you to make a list of all the countries that you think that Arabic is spoken in them. And we are talking about countries where Arabic is spoken, not Arabic countries. So once you're done, come with me. Let's go. Yalla. So Arabic is spoken in parts of Africa. It is also spoken in parts of Asia. In Africa, Arabic is spoken in North Africa, starting with Morocco, Mauritania, Algeria, Tunisia, and Libya. These 5 countries form a region that is called the Great Maghreb. And Maghreb in Arabic is Al-Maghrib, and that refers to the West. Now, Arabic is spoken also in other parts of Africa, for example, in Egypt, in Sudan, Eritrea, Djibouti, Somalia, and Chad. And again, I want to emphasize that we are talking about countries where Arabic is spoken, not that all these countries are Arabic. For example, Somalians do not consider themselves as Arabs. And they even get offended if you say that a Somali person is an Arab. Now, Arabic is also spoken by minorities in other parts of Africa. For example, it is spoken in a region called Zanzibar, which is located in the country Tanzania. The same thing, Arabic is spoken by a minority in Niger, and it's considered one of the national languages. The same goes for the country Mali and also for Senegal. So Arabic is also spoken in Asia, and the countries of Asia that speak Arabic are first Lebanon, Syria, Israel, and it's true, in Israel, Arabic is spoken, and then in Jordan and in Palestine. In addition to the Gulf countries, starting with Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Qatar, United Arab Emirates, Oman, and Yemen. In addition to these countries, there are also other countries where Arabic is spoken by a minority. For example, Turkey. And Turkey is not an Arab country, but there is a minority that speaks Arabic in Turkey. Turkey is located in Asia. However, 3% of its land is located in Europe. In addition to Turkey, there is also Iran. There is a minority in Iran that speaks Arabic, in addition to the fact that Iran is a Muslim country and many people read the Quran, and the Quran is written in Arabic. Now, there is also the Comoros Islands where Arabic is spoken. In addition to all these countries, there is another country where Arabic is spoken by a minority, and that is Cyprus. So Arabic is spoken in many, many countries, and also Arabic is the language of the Quran, and many Muslims around the world learn it in order to understand the Quran. So Arabic is spoken in so many different countries, and that will lead us to the question, so how many types of Arabic, how many versions of Arabic are there? To answer this question, I made another video, so come with me to find out. إلى اللقاء. See you soon. If you found this video beneficial to you, please like it and share it. If you would like to learn Arabic from a professional Arabic teacher with 20+ years of experience teaching thousands of students, please subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading videos every Tuesday and Friday. You are also welcome to check out my full online courses linked in the description below. For coupons, check out my Instagram. See you in the next video. إلى اللقاء.